This is an enzyme, and this is a substrate. A substrate is a reactant that attaches to the active site of an enzyme, which forms the enzyme-substrate complex, until the substrate is processed in some way to become the product of the reaction and released from the enzyme. The enzyme then returns to its original shape and is not destroyed. This process is more effective than normal reactions because enzymes allow the activation energy to be lower than in normal reactions. This represents a normal reaction, and this represents a reaction with an enzyme. The activation energy is significantly lower, which is much more efficient for the cell. Enzymes are shaped specifically for a certain substrate. They become specific like this through protein folding. I went over what that's like in a previous video about proteins. Due to being proteins, enzymes also have certain environmental conditions that are required for them to function. If the temperature or pH is too high or too low, the enzyme will denature and lose its specific shape, preventing it from doing the reaction it's meant to do. Certain compounds can help or hinder enzyme functions. Cofactors or coenzymes, which are inorganic and organic respectively, help stabilize the shape of enzymes and make them more efficient. As for inhibition, there are two types. Some molecules are similar to the designated substrate of an enzyme and compete to take the substrate's place. This prevents the enzyme from doing the reaction because there's no proper substrate in order to complete it. This is competitive inhibition. Other molecules attach themselves to the enzyme in order to alter its shape. This partially or even completely prevents the reaction from taking place, as the substrate does not fit into the enzyme's active site anymore. This is called non-competitive inhibition. That's all I want to cover in this video. Thank you for listening to my explanation. If you like the way I explain things, do subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting more videos like this in the future. If you're confused about anything, feel free to ask a question in the comments. I'll be sure to answer. And if you're curious about another topic, I can answer those questions as well.